Sorry. I got cut off. I guess you live and you learn. Like I said, this is my first class, so I won't spend too much time talking. Um, who's in charge? The government is always in charge of all levels of government. It's always safe to say that. Our local or our city council, also our school board is in charge. Our school board members are elected a position, but are volunteer basis. At our state level, the Colorado Department of Education is in charge. Dr. Kathy Anthis is our state education commissioner. At federal level, Department of Education is in charge. It's Miguel Cardona is U.S. Secretary of Education. And I talked a little bit on the last video, but fun fact: Department of Education is one of the smallest cabinets, but has the third highest budget, which is pretty interesting stat. Who has the most influence based on the CLO standards 6.1? Local government and school board, I believe, aligns to that one. Local government aligns to 6.2, and state government, I think, aligns more so to 6.3. But they're all about evaluating, developing, and advocating, and also implementing kind of the laws or new issues within education. How does all this support an education success and well-being of each student and adult? I believe it supports education success by having people in place listen to all the concerns of local taxpayers. There's always continuous improvement happening in education. Staff and student resources are developed by each of the local government levels. CLO correlation is it was all about learning at what level the government is doing to evaluate, develop, and implement interventions to help with student and adult educational well-being. Relevance. As educators, we are always learning to familiarize myself with how the three levels of government works. It really helped me. I didn't realize that the federal government didn't have as much to do with education, and that was mainly ran at our local level and also state level. Reflection. I will always rely on local government and school board more heavily if I were to become a building administrator. As a future school leader, I will involve our community heavily so they have a say. The way the school functions resolve the community. They are ones who vote on issues that affect the outcome of the school. Another example is that I will always evaluate before I implement. I found that self reflection can help out a lot, especially as a building administrator. You have a lot of pressure based decisions. You don't really have time to just kind of do. You got to, you know, evaluate it before you implement it. These are my references, and that is it for my first assignment. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Any feedback would be much appreciated. See you guys.